right, here we go. Good luck. Good luck, Martins. One box of 2015 Hoops basketball. Chasing that Porzingis. I'm not, Kenny. I am not trying to tell you what to do. I apologize if I came out that way. Come on, Porzingis. If I ever hit a Porzingis, I'll shoot it your way, Martins. Yes, Kenny, you are next. First is Martins. And then, Kenny, you are next. RJ Hunter. That's the second time I've seen RJ. No, not second time. Probably the first. RJ Hunter. That was weird. It was right on the top. We are looking for Karl Anthony Towns. Moutier. Well, it's that kid we just hit from the Heat. He's pretty hot, too. That guy's doing well, apparently. Yeah, D'Angelo Russell. Hot box, imagine. Every pack has an autograph. Porzingis. Pierre Jackson. Always looking for the guy in the cover. Towns, Russell, yep. Okay, in the cover of the box. I was going to say Jabari Parker, wow. Draymond Green, gold sparkles. Against the Rockets there. And even this guy's pretty good. We pulled his autograph, everybody was happy. His own shot? Yeah, we pulled him. Pulled his rookie, I think. Justice Winslow, yeah. Sells high. Spud Webb, high flyers. And Sam Decker. No, which one is UCLA? You have your top three? Sorry, I got an itch in my back. I'm in there? Oh, thank you, Kenny. Appreciate that. 204 of 299, Spencer Dinwiddie. Hollis, there you go. Hollis. There's Justice Winslow. Oh, I just made the cut. I came in. I was at a tie for third, and I just came in. Dominators, Chandler Parsons. I was calling these eliminators earlier until they corrected me. Tyus Jones. And Joakim Noah, 52 of 299. And Dakari Johnson. 7 teams left in high-tech baseball. Anybody wants to get in high-tech? 7 teams left. Blake Griffin out of 2015. Road to the finals. Rashad Vaughn. You get 2 autographs. No jersey this time. No jersey relics. They're saving the jerseys for another product, I guess. Cameron Payne. Sparkly. Evan Turner. Let's put that in the stack. Man, this guy used to be a beast for the Sixers. I don't know what happened. Karl Anthony Towns. Mad dogging. Mean mugging. Mean mugging, mad dogging. You're kidding me, is there? There is. What the hell? I'll send this to... Thanks for that one. That's your stack. That's his stack. And this is your... Alright. I got your stacks separated. So this is your stack, and this is his stacks. I got your stacks separated, Andres. You had a Blake Griffin and a J.J. Barrera redback, Andreas. You had two of them, Andreas. They haven't announced the Rapper Redemption. Yeah. And you're getting all your cards, so you're good. And then I just got to go through the other dude's stack. All right. Yeah, two of them. We got Jeff Teague, team leaders, 7.0 assists per game, and Montrezl Harrell. You know your cards, so. Which I'm guessing is like that one, Terry Rozier, red back, and DeLon Wright. Thanks for pointing that out, champ. Thanks, champ. And we got Blake Griffin. This one is out of $9.99. More work for me. $9.99 Blake Griffin. And Nemanja Bjelica. Serbia. More work for me. I guess you can just fan it out, see if there's a red one. We got Andrew Harrison. Larry Nance. D'Angelo Russell. Oh, was he? Nice. And Bird's Eye View, Dwayne Wade. That's a pretty cool shot. Looks like a deli owner. Frank Kaminsky. Come on, we need a Porzingis. Dominator. Oh no, this is team leaders. 11.8. Pau Gasol, rebounds per game. And R.J. Hunter. Somebody got a Porzingis, but it was just a rookie. Oh, Kaminsky also? Oh, he's from Wisconsin. Mike Dunleavy out of 2015. Road to the finals. That guy? Larry Nance Jr.? That's what you're talking about, Walter? Ah, gotcha. Well, he's chasing him. There's a redback, Tyreek Evans. Darren Hilliard. He's from Latvia, Kenny. So he's chasing Porzingis. Anthony Davis, 2 away from jersey number. This is 21 of 99 artist proof. Ah, Hezonja. We got Hezonja. Croatia. That's okay. Kyrie Irving, courtside. Jahlil Okafor. Come on, Porzingis. Oh, there it is. Damian Lillard, or Marvin Williams. I don't know why I got Damian Lillard for. Red back. And Stanley Johnson. We got our gold, Nick Collison. And Porzingis! We got Porzingis. Put him in a mag. Now, all right, that's our autograph. Let's save it till the last pack. Oh no, this is our autograph. This is gonna be out of 2015, Tim Duncan. And Miles Turner. RJ Hunter's a great auto. Nice. Alright, our autograph is Terry Rozier. It's our rookie. Lorenzo Brown. Judah Brown. Hot signatures. Oh, nice. Well, let's repeat the. We got the Lorenzo Brown hot signatures. Tim Duncan out of 2015. Kristaps Porzingis. Anthony Davis 21 of 99 out of 2015. Mike Dunleavy. Andrew Harrison Sparkly. Blake Griffin out of 999. Blake Griffin out of 2015. Joakim Noah out of 299. Spencer Dinwiddie 299. And RJ Hunter. Hot signatures rookie auto. I'm trying to ship tonight, man. Trying to ship tonight. Thank you, Martins.